Welcome to English 102. This is a brief overview of the course to give you an idea of how to navigate and the basic content of this course. When you enter the course in D2L, the landing page is the announcements. So you will see every week, at least, an announcement from me that gives you instructions and assignments for the week. So you'll want to, of course, check frequently and check for any announcements that I may have left. So you always want to look at those. To access the content of the course, go up to the list of links and choose Content. Here you will see on the left side all of the modules in this course. So there is, let me just fix that a little bit. So there is a Getting Started. There's a module on APA, Information Literacy, Grammar, and then there are 4 units in the course. When you begin the course, of course, you'll start with the Getting Started, and there's several sub-modules here that you will want to go through. Again, the weekly instructions will explain what you should do in the Getting Started week. As you go through the course, you'll be entering the various modules, and here would be all of the materials that you would need for that section. The course is divided into 4 units. Each unit involves a writing assignment and some other types of instruction. So you will primarily be working on the writing assignments, but you may also be doing some other work as well. The modules on APA, Information Literacy, and Grammar are separated out from the units to make it easy to access those materials when they are needed in whichever unit you are working in. So to give an overview, Unit 1 is the critical analysis essay, and we will be learning about APA documentation style. Unit 2 is information research, and you will be working on a career exploration report. Unit 3 is the persuasive research area, and you will be working on the large, fairly significant persuasive research report. And then finally, in Unit 4, you will be taking your information from the persuasive research report and putting it into a format that you can share orally with the class. If you are working on materials and you would like to go back to the announcements, simply click on the title of the course at the top of the page. That will return you to the landing page, which will include the announcements, and they will all be listed there, starting with the most recent at the top and then going to older ones scrolling down. Whenever you want to access materials in the course, go to Content. For assignments, there are 2 types of assignments in this course. One is the assignment, and that is used for our writing assignments. So, for example, in the critical analysis, you can see here the assignment for the critical analysis essay submission. When you click on that, it will take you to a page where you can submit your work. You can drag and drop a file, or you can go to the Upload key tab and look for your document there. Or if you are using Microsoft Word 365, the cloud-based version, then you'll choose Existing and go to your OneDrive files to find that information. Please note that you cannot submit a Google Doc for any of your writing assignments. So if you're working in the Google Doc format, you can convert it to a Microsoft Word document and then submit it that way. I prefer that you not convert your Google Doc to a PDF, although if that is the only way that you can submit, I can make an exception. I would prefer that you use Microsoft Word 365 if you don't have Word on your computer. And in the Getting Started section of the course, under Resources, there is information about how all Delaware Tech students can access Word 365 for free and use that for writing assignments. Okay, the other type of assignment is the discussion topic. And there are not very many of those, but when you get to the oral presentation, and there will be some others, you will find that to submit your final presentation, it will be a discussion topic. So when you go into that link, you will see a Start a New Thread button, which you will click, and then you will have to enter the subject. You will have to type something here in the main text box, and you can add attachments as needed. And the attachments would be the same as you saw for the assignments. You can drag and drop, you can upload a file that you've saved, or you can use Choose Existing to go to your OneDrive for your 365 files. If you have any questions and need to contact your instructor, you'll want to go to the Getting Started section and look for the instructor information, and there you will have the instructor contact information, policies, and so forth. That is a brief overview and hopefully will help you as you get started in English 102.